Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to Linux Temple. And last time I made a video about how to install Fedora 34 on your computer, and today we are going to perform some tweaks and changes on our Fedora to make it better. And since we are going to cover the most important and essential things only, so you can apply these changes to any other versions of Fedora. And guys, if you find this video useful, please like this video, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for more Linux tutorial videos. Okay, let's get started. So first we'll start with the updates. So for this, go to terminal and then type the command sudo dnf update. Since dnf is the default package manager of Fedora, enter your password. But I've already updated my system, so here you can see nothing to do. And next I'm going to enable RPM Fusion. Actually, RPM Fusion is a software repository which provides add-on packages for Fedora Linux, and it is totally safe. In order to enable RPM Fusion, just go to terminal, and I've copied the command. I'm simply pasting here in the terminal. I'll leave the command in the description also, and hit enter. Since I've already enabled this, so I've got the message here, nothing to do. As Fedora comes with GNOME 40 desktop environment, and we already know that GNOME 40 does not offer much more customization options. So for its solution, we have to install GNOME Tweak tool to add extra desktop customization and other window behaviors. So for this, go to the software center and then search for GNOME Tweak tools. So there we have GNOME Tweak. Just install it. So here in the menu, under utilities, there we have tweaks. So here we have many more options for desktop customization and other Windows behavior options. And one thing probably you have noticed that we don't have minimize and maximize button on the window title bar. So we are going to add minimize and maximize button on the window title bar using GNOME Tweaks. So there in the window title bars, so there we have maximize and minimize. So we have to enable them. So here we have the minimize button. Similarly, we can add maximize button too. So here we can maximize, restore, and minimize. So this is a very useful thing to have on any desktop computer. And if you are a laptop user, you probably would have noticed that Fedora doesn't offer tap to click feature by default. So we have to enable this. So for this, you have to go to settings, and there on the mouse and touchpad, this tap to click button is disabled by default. So if you enable this, I hope this will be easier for your workflow. Okay, and next I'm going to manage my favorite apps in the dock for my easy access. So for this, just go to the menu and select your favorite app and just right click on it. So for terminal, add to favorites. So here you can see terminal on the dock. In the same way, you can add other app that you use frequently. You can add the apps in the dock. In the same way, you can remove them too. And now I'm going to install some useful applications. So first I'll start with the VLC media player, which is supposed to be the best media player out there. So for its installation, you just need to go to the terminal and then type the command sudo dnf install VLC. Enter your password, Y, enter, and now it will install VLC media player. Installation is completed. So there in the menu you can see VLC media player, and you can make it your default audio and video player. And now I'm going to download the best web browser, that is Google Chrome. So for this you have to open the browser Firefox and then search for download Google Chrome. So from the first link, download Chrome, and there you have to choose 64-bit RPM since we are using Fedora. Accept and install. Okay, software install. Okay, so download completed. Install. Enter your password. So now it is installing Google Chrome. Launch. Okay, so here's our Google Chrome browser. And next I'm going to install the most popular image editor, GIMP. So for this, go to terminal and then type sudo dnf install GIMP, GIMP, enter, Y, enter, and then it will install GIMP. Actually GIMP is the Photoshop for Linux, though it is not fancy as Photoshop, but you can do almost everything you can do on Photoshop. So it is also a must-have app for any Linux distribution. So it is installed now. So from menu, GNU. So this is GIMP 2.10. So this is the default interface of GIMP, which looks very different from Photoshop, but there are lots of tools required for photo editing. And lastly, we are going to install TLP. And if you are a laptop user, if you want to make your Fedora energy efficient to save your laptop's battery, you have to install it. Just type the command sudo dnf install TLP, and after this will save your laptop's battery. So guys, I think these are the things that needs to be done after the installation of Fedora. I may have missed some points as well. Please comment down below, and I hope you like this video. If so, please like this video and consider subscribing our channel and press the bell icon for more Linux tutorial videos. Thanks for watching. Have a nice time.